Hey, oh, you are you recording? Sorry, I'm having technical difficulty. I had something sticky all over the thing. Hey, you down low because I was pushing on you. I guess. Hey, you are watching me without a hat. I just had a haircut and I just hadn't put my hat back on. Look like a skunk there a little bit. Old salt and pepper, getting old age. Hey, you watching the Blue Bike and Doors channel, or better known now as the TBB and Doors channel. Yeah, we're dicking around in the shed. Going to. Maybe I won't screw this up. I don't know what, like jelly or something. I don't know. Was I eating a jelly donut? Anyway, running intro, we're going to try to put that horn back on, the dual horn on the Spyder. I tried it, figured it out, messed it up. Well, I needed a relay. So I got a relay now and I already got it pre-wired and I just gotta do it. Let's do it. Do it. Step one is to make room. Lucille had to back her big booty up. Or I backed her up. So now we're going to lift this up because I got to get right here. Like I said, I already experimented with it. And I know what I need to do now. And just got to do it. That's what they say. That's what Nike said, right? Just do it. Ouch. Jacking we will go, hi-oh, jacking we will go. My best impersonation of Captain Morgan. Impersonation of Captain Morgan. That's good enough. I'll leave Jack on there in case it falls on me. Rescue squad can get my body out quicker. Hey, here I am. I forgot you was over here. So here what I did, I put a inline fuse to the wire because you got to have a hot wire going to the relay because your power coming straight off the battery into the relay. You need a fuse in between there and there, closest to the battery, so you don't want to burn nothing down. Did that. That's where the battery's at on a Spyder. I done took the cover off down here where the horn's at. I don't know if you can see that, but right in there, I'm gonna give you some light. Okay, now you see, that's where it's going, and that's the fuse. Yeah, that's what we do it. Okay, good. Huh. So here's the horn, the dual horn setup. It's the way I got it. I might have to move around some. But here's the fabrications I did because I wanted these to be close together, so I'm using the plug that come with it. I just drilled a hole into the bracket it came with. This is where the bracket goes onto where that horn bolts right there, hopefully. And hopefully this is set in there. I might have to do some adjusting because I did it out here. Here's the wires for it. A lot of wires. All right, now let's see if we can get the other horn off. Let's see what we can show you. I don't know if you can get in here. GoPro stop recording. All right, here where we at. This was the way the horn was. This is where your horn's located. Yeah, so You got an arm here, which is pain in the butt to get out because you ain't got enough room to work that bolt. It's the way they did it, and this comes out and comes up here. And then there's an arm going off, like you see here. I replaced that bolt because I don't know why, because I wanted a bolt to go, yeah, anyway. So this is what we're taking off right here. This is the horn, you know, this unplug deal. You don't need them right now. And we'll get to that bolt right there. And then we'll put the other horns in here. And well, I guess it would help if I push record button. Here's what it sounds like. So it works pretty good. I'll show you what I got underneath. I just gotta tape stuff up. Alright, I don't know why I keep doing that, because I got 34%. Here's what we got. I'll show you. Alright, there's where the horn. Alright, we'll show you this right quick. There it is. All it is, that's the relay. Here wire, there wire, here wire, here wire here. There's the horn. There's 2 horns. And hey, how y'all doing? We made it back. I'm holding my screwdriver. You know how I know it's my screwdriver? Got my name on it. Got my name on it. Oh, my name on it. Name. So it works. Get out of the way, you stupid moron. You moron. Anyway, I did have to, I trimmed that bottom plastic A-arm cover dealy, just very neatly. And hey, so when it goes, it was hitting, and I don't want it rubbing on no the hoses of the radiators. So if you would, you can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button. You get what you get. You don't throw a fit. Oh, me. Later.